Hi guys. Now that we have a basic understanding of the AutoLISP list functions, let's further explore them in AutoCAD so that we have a better understanding because this is very important. Let's start with the car function. The car function returns the first item in the list. So in our previous example, we have a list of characters ABC, and when we issue the car command, it should return the first item in the list, which is A. Let's give that a try. Correct. The other example we have is the car of a list of lists, list of 1, 2, 3, and another list of 9, 8, 7. So we have two items in our list. If we issue the car command, it should return the first item in the list here. Yeah. Another example we have is the car hello world. It's a list of string and then a number 5. There you go. So I would like to show you how the car really interprets the list. Let's just create one line here, and I would like to get the definition data of that line and get up end last. Don't worry about this for now if you don't understand this yet, but this will be covered in the next upcoming 2 sections. But for now, I would just like to show you how we can retrieve the definition data of the objects. So end last is to retrieve the last entity defined in the drawing, and end get is basically getting all these properties. All right. So let me show you how this is being constructed in a file. Let me just paste this one here. So if I have to break it down into an individual line for the list, I think this is much better for you to understand how it is being constructed and how can we manipulate them. Okay, so this is the line property, and this is actually similar to the one we have here. We don't need to issue the car. All we are interested in is the actual list, the actual items in the list. All right, let me just grab the other two. We have there the hello world and number 5. This is the first item, hello world, the list of hello world, and number 5. All right, and the other one is the list of 2 lists. I think this is the second example. Okay, so when we issued the car command for this list, what we get was A, because this is the first item in the list. When we issue the car command in this list, we got the 1, 2, 3, because that's the first item in the list also. Similarly, when we issue the car command for this list, we got the hello world, right? See, car of ABC, we got the A. Car of this list, we got the 1, 2, 3. Car of hello world, we got the hello world. So if we apply that into the actual line definition data, which is this one here. So this is exactly the same as this list. It's just composed of the DXF code and the value. So in this case, if we issue a car of this command and get an end last, okay, we should be getting the first item in the list, which is this one. Let's give that a try. See? So that's how car works. It gives us the first it gives us the first item in the list, the first element. This one here. Yeah. That is how car works. Okay? It just returns the first item in the list, nothing more. So now I hope you have a better understanding on how our example works by breaking it down into a more readable format. And then now we can understand why we got the A and we got the 1, 2, 3 and we got the hello world. Similarly, we got the entity name of the line object. Okay? In the next lesson, we are going to explore the CDR function. I'll see you there.